continues to push its All-Star lineup in 2026 with the Nike KD18LX All-Star, a premium addition to Kevin Durant's signature collection. This limited LX edition emphasizes presentation, exclusivity, and bold design. The upper features a glossy emerald green finish with subtle iridescent highlights, giving the silhouette a sculptural, almost jewel-like appearance. Tonal laces and molded support elements maintain a clean look while letting the materials shine. A standout detail is the Slim Reaper enamel lace jewel, a metallic nod to Durant's well-known nickname, adding character without overpowering the design. Inside, the insoles showcase Nike's 2026 warning label motif, continuing the All-Star LX theme. The KD18LX is packaged in a custom-molded hard case with compartments for accessories, signaling its showcase intent. Expected to launch during All-Star Weekend 2026, this limited edition release is aimed at collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate both style and exclusivity.